Go Birds! Come with me to JD to watch the season opener game. This is the fit. It was pouring before I left, so you know I had to pull out the arc. Dude, the city last night was so beautiful. Everybody was in green, and all the bars look so cool. This is Leo. Shout out Leo. Shout out my boy. Fly guys. Leo and I came early, and we kind of don't want to go in this early.
It's like 8 o'clock.
So we kind of want to be fashionably fast.
Yeah.
Whatever that one is. That one. So we're just gonna be chilling. Woo! We decided to walk in. So now we're about to go. First order of business, a drinky drink and food. Flats only, respectfully. Alright, Tech was about to come in.
See how good he was. Remember, he was out of tackle. Well, last couple of days.
They had a station to design your own bag, so that's Leo and I making our own bag. They have some cool stickers too for the game. This is Adriana's bag, forever. Yep. These are other people's bag. And then there's my bag. That is it. Thanks for coming. It was so much fun. And we won.